guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to set different photos on your iPhone's lock screen and home screen. It's a great way to personalize your phone and make it more unique. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and choose the photos you'd like to use. Pick one for the lock screen and another one for the home screen. Open the photo you want for your lock screen. Tap the share icon. This box with an arrow pointing up at the bottom of the screen, and then scroll down and then choose Use as Wallpaper. Adjust the photo as needed by pinching or dragging. Then tap Add. You can set it as a wallpaper pair, or you can just set it as a lock screen. Now go back to the Photos app and select a photo for your home screen. Tap the share icon again, select Use Wallpaper, adjust the photo if necessary, then tap Add. And then here, select Customize Home Screen, and then tap Done. Once both are set, lock your phone to check the lock screen photo, then unlock it to view the home screen photo. You should now see two different photos. And that's it! Now you know how to set different photos for your iPhone's lock screen and home screen. It's quick, easy, and makes your phone feel more personalized. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!